Communicating your vision is just the first step. The real challenge is getting others aligned with it. Alignment means more than just agreement. It's about creating shared commitment and ensuring that everyone's efforts support the vision. Here, we're going to explore strategies to align stakeholders, build collaboration, and sustain momentum. Imagine steering a large ship. If half the crew is rowing one direction and the other half in another, you're not going anywhere. But when everyone is rowing in sync, the ship moves swiftly towards its destination. The same principle applies to leadership. Without alignment, even the most compelling visions will stall. Let's dive into how to bring people together around your vision. The first step to alignment is ensuring everyone understands the vision, not just what it is, but why it matters. Different people may interpret the same message in different ways, so it's crucial to reinforce key points through multiple conversations. For example, a CEO might craft a vision for digital transformation to align departments like IT, marketing, and operations. The leader needs to tailor the message to each group's perspective. IT might focus on innovation, while marketing emphasizes customer experience. By connecting the vision to their specific priorities, the leader ensures everyone understands their role in achieving it. One effective method is to hold vision workshops where teams can discuss how the vision relates to their work. Encourage questions like, what does this mean for our department? And how can we contribute to this vision? This creates a shared sense of ownership. Stakeholders are key players who can influence the success of your vision. They include employees, partners, customers, and other leaders. To build alignment, you need to identify these stakeholders early and engage them in meaningful ways. Stakeholder engagement isn't just about giving updates, it's about building relationships and trust. For example, if your vision involves community initiatives, engage local leaders early, ask for their input, and address their concerns. When stakeholders feel valued and heard, they're more likely to support and advocate for the vision. Identify champions within your organization, people who believe in the vision and can help influence others. Empower these champions to lead conversations, provide updates, and keep momentum strong. Alignment thrives in a culture of collaboration. When teams work together across departments and hierarchies, they're better able to innovate and solve problems that may arise along the way. Collaboration ensures that no one is working in isolation from the vision. Consider healthcare organizations with a vision to improve patient outcomes. Collaboration between doctors, nurses, administrators, and IT staff is essential. Shared goals like reducing wait times or improving care plans create alignment across these diverse groups. Regular check-ins and collaborative meetings reinforce their teamwork. Leverage tools like project management platforms or cross-departmental task forces to improve collaboration. Clear communication channels ensure everyone stays aligned with the vision and can share progress and insights. Alignment isn't a one-time achievement, it's something that needs to be maintained over time. This requires ongoing communication, regular progress updates, and celebrating wins along the way. Celebrating wins, both big and small, reinforces alignment. For example, highlight a project that exemplifies your vision in company-wide communication. Recognizing contributions shows that progress is being made and motivates others to stay engaged. Use surveys or performance metrics to assess alignment regularly. Ask questions like, do you understand how your work connects to the vision? And what support do you need to stay aligned? These insights help you adjust strategies as needed. Aligning others with your vision requires clarity, stakeholder engagement, collaboration, and sustained communication. When everyone is moving in the same direction, your vision gains the momentum needed to create real impact. As a leader, your role is to guide, empower, and celebrate the journey toward that shared future. Now that we've explored how to align others with your vision, let's discuss a critical aspect of visionary leadership, leading through uncertainty and change. In the next segment, we'll uncover how to keep your vision strong, even in turbulent times.